Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We're about to check out these. They're an LED solar battery powered garden light that will do both white light and red, green, blue. Plus, they're absolutely fantastic in this brushed finish that looks amazing in bronze. They've got the crackled glass to give a great impression at night, and you're absolutely going to love them. So let's go ahead and check them out. Kick it off right about now. And folks, as a bonus, we're going to be showing you this 49-foot red, green, blue, white smart lights. They're outdoor string lights, that's right. They tie into the XMCOSY Plus app, wireless control, app control using the lights from anywhere, change the color to any hue you want. 2-color combination, automate to come on at your convenience, and linkable to string lights to make them 98 foot. You can double them up. They're waterproof. They tie into your Echo device, so you can say, hey, Alexa, turn on my lights. And of course, it's that great brand XMCOSY Plus. Total 49 feet, 15 piece. That's 12 volt, 2.56 feet spacing on the bulbs. They're waterproof and they are energy efficient. All right, so we're going to now show you these and the other solar lights at night. Then we're going to come back and show you the up close of the solar lights, that portion of the video. But just to give you an up close before we get started of these, I want you to see what the bulbs look like, because they are a beautiful bulb, right? Look at how that looks. That's going to be fantastic. All right, so first let me go ahead and show you this. It's the XMCOSY String Light app. XMCOSY is a great app because all their stuff ties into it and it's easy to control. You can just run through if you want clear lights, and that's cool because a lot of the LEDs don't do clear and amber, but this does both. Then you've got the, this will change, like some of them are blue, some of them are purple, and I've never seen that before. Same thing here, it will go back and forth where every like third one is orange versus yellow, that sort of thing. And then there's also, which is pretty cool, a variety of colors that I'm showing you now. Now you can set up timing and schedules. See if I can show that on screen. You set a timer and schedule it for any time you want, and for how long you want. Choose the number of bulbs you want. So just so many fun things that you can set in here, how many hours you want it on, etc., etc. They just do a great job. And you can see all my XMCOSY lights are set up through the app with my Wi-Fi, and it only took seconds to set up. Now with music detect, I'm gonna fake music here. Boom, boom, boom. It will bounce to the music, and that's pretty fun. You can change the color of different bulbs, etc., etc. This is just really a great device that is fun to use. So I'm gonna go ahead, clean it, set it back to white. But if you're looking for a fantastic device, this is the one for you. All right, so I want to show you what this looks like first with just the kind of white lights, if you will. It really glows beautifully with this crackling glass. Just looks so fantastic, and it's so nice how these stay on for so long with just a little solar panel right here, really making it look fantastic. I absolutely love it. And I know you're gonna love it too. XMCOSY is just a high quality company that does great stuff every single time. I gotta show you the cool pattern that this shows on the ground and how nice this looks. That speckled pattern is just gorgeous from the glass. It looks beautiful. And there you can see it with the more clear light. Really a beautiful pattern. A great product. So it's also super fun that it's got this radiant glow in a variety of colors as well. The changing hue really looks cool. Never seen anything like this. Really beautiful. So whether you want something like these guys, which are just you know, just a light white, or you flip the switch and you can go full color, whatever you want, folks, it's available at a flip of a switch. Solar powered, no batteries to replace. This is incredible. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I absolutely love these. I know you're gonna love them as well. Beautiful look, beautiful design, and they're gonna come on automatically when it gets to dark. All right, go ahead and pick yours up. You're gonna love them. Thanks for watching, and stick around for the up close portion of the video. We're gonna show you the solar lights. All right, folks, now it's time for the up close portion of our video. These are brand new red, green, blue plus warm and white LED solar garden lights. Brightness to 15 lumens, elegant design, blended surrounding easily to blend with your surround easily. They're built strong, stainless steel body and brushed glass lenses, advanced crack style design. All right. So first off, they're going to tie right into your XMCOSY app. That's fantastic. They've got 1000 mAh battery, LED RGB, and warm white lighting, 15 lumens. They're built strong, 360 illumination, RGB, warm white, on, off, and they're solar powered. Oh yeah. So really a fantastic product. Now we're going to go ahead and see what's inside for the up close portion of the video. XMCOSY is very well known for their easy to read instructions, written in English, with English speakers in mind. And then we got this. I'm gonna put together one so you can see it up close and personal, but wow. Just a good looking design, right? Which way do you think it goes? I guess like that. We're gonna see. And then, oh, okay, I get it now. Pretty straightforward. Oops, you could just plug it in the ground like that if you want, I guess, but intentionally designed to go in like that. It's just that easy. Now when you open them up, there's gonna be the on and off, the toggle between white and red, green, blue. I'm gonna put them on white to start. But yeah, these are gonna be easy to set up, really fantastic. And again, that big solar power panel. Now, solar technology nowadays is so much more advanced than it was just a few years ago. They make such powerful batteries, advanced products with great batteries, and the solar panels collect so much energy so quickly. Now, I'm a big fan of this cracked glass design that really makes a beautiful look outdoors. And remember, when you get them, to go ahead and turn them to on and the style you want, whether that's the red, green, blue, or you want kind of that white light. It's cool they can do both nowadays. They do a great job with this. All right, folks, I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Thank you for watching. Adios, amigos.